I've got the big fin dart in it. Still have the pin low, still 100, 105 or 10 pounds. I want to shoot it close. I want it to hit like 300 to 500 feet, but real low angle, launch angle. Not exactly sure what it's going to do. We'll make an adjustment after this. Well, I guess all my figuring was right. That's exactly what I wanted. Yeah, that was great. It's right in line. I'm fixing to start doing some close-up target shooting, like 300 to 600 feet. High-speed destruction is what I'm looking for. There it is. Shooting at that pole, or aiming at it. I wasn't really trying to hit it. I like that a lot. So anything standing between like here and about that first pole, it would have gone right through them. Alright, little 24-inch door set up in the middle of my green. We're halfway between the first and second pole, so like 550 feet. Let's see if we can punch a hole through it. Alright, let's see where we're hitting. Moved the target. Well, I didn't have a target's first shot, so we're shooting to a different spot. Let's see what happens. I only have the one camera set up. Right on line. I think I went just over the top of it, actually. Let's run down there. Looks like we went just like right here, right over the top of it. Looks like the scope is just off a little bit. It went further. There it is. Yeah, we're over 700 feet. And yeah, just a little bit offline. 3 feet maybe. Alright, we'll push the pin down and make a sighting adjustment. We stand a good chance of hitting this thing. Yeah. Just to the left. Just to the left. That missed by like maybe a foot. All right. Shot 3. Just missed it again. Shot 4. Overcorrecting. Way overcorrecting. And here, I don't know how that one missed. Like inch, maybe. That one maybe a foot. And their angle of approach is low. It should be hitting right there in the middle. Shot 5. Same spot the last one. They're all shifting. They're all the last 3 shots are right in line. So I need to make a scope adjustment. Made a scope adjustment and a pin adjustment. That was right on line, but I think I pushed the pin too forward for it. Oh, still recording. Look at that. That's what I'm talking about. I need to pull the pin back up a little bit and slight scope adjustment. Shot Just over the top of it again.